The manufacturing module in the Hinawi software was built in a very simplified way. It covers customers' needs in calculating the cost of finished or semi-finished products. This cost covers raw materials and direct and indirect costs. This module is part of the accounting and is linked with the stores. Hence, the effect is immediate when using raw materials, returning the rest of them, or upon completion of manufacturing and obtaining ready-made materials. There are also accounting effects for direct and indirect costs. The user can open an intermediate manufacturing cost account that calculates the difference between actual and estimated costs. The inventory cost is calculated based on the weighted average cost for raw materials and finished items.
User-friendly characterizes manufacturing module. Flexible, advanced settings, and easy to apply company policies. Suitable to be used in factories' business types. Hinawi software can generate numerous customized reports, which can be exported to Excel. Aside from designing and customizing forms for printing in both Arabic and English.
The Hinawi software team is well known for highly professional services and responses in minutes. Finally, clients and interested prospective companies can have a trial version of the software to try themselves.
Thank you for your time. Don't hesitate to get in touch with us and share this video.